Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting power and connection right. Plug the USB-C cable and charge until at least 50%. This prevents interruptions during setup. Once done, fit the stylus tip firmly and dock the pen so it stays paired. Next, power on the tablet and enable Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. Make sure your phone or computer's radio is active. Install the manufacturer's companion app and follow its quick pairing prompt. This links settings, pressure profiles, and firmware so you can begin writing immediately. You now refine how the tablet responds. Open calibration in the app and draw slow to fast strokes so pressure and tilt map correctly. This ensures lines match intent. Then customize shortcut buttons for erase, undo, and brush size. Make sure palm rejection is on to avoid stray marks. Adjust pen sensitivity to a comfortable level and set canvas dimensions, resolution, and your preferred save path, whether local or cloud. These steps reduce friction and let you focus on writing instead of fighting the device. You finish by establishing a reliable workflow and knowing how to fix common issues. Start each session with warm-up strokes or a saved template and set autosave to short intervals so you never lose work. Export notes as PDF for sharing, PNG for snapshots, or SVG for editable vectors. If you notice lag or a disconnect, restart both devices, repair Bluetooth, and check for firmware updates. If the problem persists, toggle pen settings or try a different USB port. This keeps your writing smooth and recoverable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.